when wanting to start your web design business. Hi, Tommy Olsson here. Are you thinking about starting a web design business? It can be profitable if you get good at creating quality sites and so on. And it doesn't really have to be difficult, believe me or not. This page that I show here is created by a drag and drop builder, but I started creating your website for free through a 14-day trial below. But anyway, now back to my tips. The first one is that you need to have a professional looking website, a great looking website that makes a good impression of your potential customers and buyers, and that can generate more customers for you. And number two among my tips is that compare your site with the competition. Maybe you can improve your site to look better than the competition sites are doing. And number three of my tips is having the right price for your offer. Never ask for the whole amount at once. You can, for instance, have them pay 50% down first of the total price, and then you ask for 24% more when it's almost done, and then 25% on completion. So that is a good way to set it up. To protect yourself from chargeback and dispute, you should set up a contract between you and the buyer to prevent you from getting into discussions about chargeback and stuff like that. And the fifth of my tips is that you need to have a great proposal that where you share every benefit with your offer and why they should buy from you and so on, and everything that's gonna be included in your offer. So this was my 5 tips. I hope you like them. And if you want to get started building any funnel or website and get started through a 14-day free trial, then click the link below. Thanks for watching and have a nice day. Bye bye.